We'll get on to installing the timing set from Butler. It's JP Performance. It's got the n.o.s pre-stretch chain. It's a billet gear set, heat-treated crank gear. I've got the cam retainer plate set up. They had lock washers on it that were digging into it, so I found some hardened washers. We got to set up the lower portion of the dipstick that feeds through the windage tray. I'm not sure if I'm going to switch the windage tray. We got to install the oil pump. And I got the front cover and the sonic cleaner. This is the windage tray that came on it. JP Performance timing chain is on. It worked out perfect. I ordered it for a line honed block. If you use a regular one on one of these, you'll find it's very loose. And don't forget to lube behind the concentric. Chain's lubed with driven engine assembly grease. Sonic cleaner's done. And I marked that pretty prominently, so when the degree wheel's on, if I need to see where those marks are, I can see them a little clearer. Camshaft agreed in perfectly. I'm always amazed with Pontiac because it's always within a half a degree. And I wish Chevy was like that all the time. The windage tray is on. The inner dipstick tube is set up to accept the outer dipstick tube. We'll get on to oiling. Oil pump's installed. Got some grease in there. Body work on the oil pan's done. I try to keep these Pontiac oil pans that have the front divot in them. And this one was in good shape to begin with. Front cover's been cleaned. Let's get these things installed. Front cover's been installed. Centered with the harmonic. So we don't get premature seal wear. Time to get the oil pan on. Bottom end's buttoned up. Still a little gasket trimming to do. We'll get it rolled over. Get on to heads.